welcome back to another Boxycharm unboxing. This is for the March Luxe box, so we're going to go ahead and open it up. We've got our card, Spring Luxe 2022, card with the info on it. Nothing with an insanely high price tag. The highest price on one from this one is $72, so anyway, we're going to dive right into it. So in no particular order, don't need that paper. Let's see what this is first, just because it looks interesting, and it has a butt on it, and I'm curious. So this is by, who are you by? Frank Body, and it's the Perky Sculpting Body Hydrator. This is $20. It says, feeling tired? Perky will perk you up. It's a sculpting moisturizer for smooth and hydrated skin, packed with caffeine to firm your favorite asset, aside to give you a boost, shea butter to hydrate, and longan seed extract to sculpt your booty. Also comes in a reusable coffee cup to rinse when you're done for a coffee on the run. Oh my god, that's so cute. Is it like actually like a legit coffee cup, or? Oh my god, I think it is actually. Maybe. Possibly. If nothing else, it's the aesthetic of one. Haha. But first, coffee. And yes, it's with 2 T's. That's hilarious. I'm trying to tell if that opens or no. I think... Oh shit, it does! It is like a legit coffee cup. Okay, that's actually awesome. But does it just twist open, or... I don't want this to fly everywhere. This could be a disaster if I do it wrong. Oh, I'm trying to be careful. Oh, thank God. Okay, so we got a safety lid. Smells good, though. Like, there's a little bit that's, like, poking out. I want to smell it. Oh! Okay. I don't know why I was expecting it to be, like, a scrub, but it's a lotion, which they literally said. Why I doubted it, I don't know. But it's a coffee cup, literally with a butt on it, which makes me laugh more because what does coffee do? It makes you poop. Therefore, it's a reusable coffee cup. The fact that it has a butt on it is appropriate. I think it's funny, but I also like toilet humor, so, because apparently I'm 5, but anyway. Oh, goodness. Yeah. So where am I going to set that for now? I don't know. I'll stick it here for now. I'll figure it out later, but God, I am way too amused with that. Alright, next thing in here is from Dry Bar, and it is the Liquid Glass Miracle Smoothing Sealant. So this is $34. Nice size bottle. I don't know why I was expecting it to be a glass bottle just because it's called liquid glass. My god, I'm tired. Can we tell? Meet the ultimate frizz fighter. Again, I'll believe it when I see it. Heat-activated technology wraps an invisible shield. Whoa, an invisible shield around each hair strand to provide frizz resistance. Leaves a super glossy, silky finish without weighing hair down. Lasts through 3 washes. Protects heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Again, I'll believe it when I see it, but it sounds good. But whoa, invisible shield. Sorry, I'm being a little shit. Don't mind me. Okay, from Juice Beauty, and this is the expensive thing. This is the Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Retinol Overnight Serum. I could swear I have one of this already, but I'm not sure. I'll have to double check. Anyway, clean, vegan, 2.5% bioretinol and retinol serum with breakthrough scientific technology encapsulating the vitamin in evening primrose to assure stability and to avoid toxic chemicals. Skin rescuing technologies to help keep your skin looking and acting youthful while you sleep. The serum glides on smoothly and leaves skin feeling hydrated. Okay. I assume you just use it as a nighttime one, yeah? I think that's how you use retinols, is just at night. Or at least it's how I've done it. Let's see. I love how it doesn't even have... Oh wait, yeah, it does. Yeah, apply at night and face, neck, and décolletage. Limit initial use to 1 to 2 times a week, gradually increasing to every other night, and then nightly as tolerated. Always use sunscreen, blah, 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 blah. Obviously, it's a retinol. But yeah, so that's cool. It's like a nice size. So even if I do have a second of that, I don't mind. Because that is a good product. Then from Complex Culture. Oh my god. The fact that this is a thing that exists. Filter out daily blue light defense mist. Do we all remember the whole fucking drama over the blue light blocking technologies and how much of a scam that all turned out to be? That it's all bullshit? So, any products that claim to be like, blue light blocking, yeah, they just want your money. This is not really a thing. This is not really a thing. The amount of blue light you get from your computer screens and shit is not enough to age your skin. That has been proven by science. Just saying. Anyway, this is $32 for their cash grab. Yeah, moisturize, set, and protect all in one step with this multitasking blue light defense mist, a botanical powerhouse clinically proven to protect skin from the harmful effects of HEV blue light rays like the ones that speed up signs of aging. Vegan, cruelty-free, and infused with a mood-boosting scent to soothe your screen time. Simply close your eyes and spray anytime you need a screen break. Again? Bullshit. But I mean, for the aromatherapy, I guess that's okay. I don't think there's anything, like, harmful in it, so I mean, just as like a face mist to feel nice, that's fine, but don't count on it to actually like block rays of anything, because it's bullshit. It's bullshit. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, it looks like a safe enough group of ingredients, but there is definitely like nothing groundbreaking here, so do not be fooled, do not be scammed. I'm here to help educate if need be, but I'm pretty sure we're all aware at this point of how much of a scam the blue light blocking shit is. So, what do we have? Ooh, Natasha Denona. It's the Cupid eyeshadow palette for $48. Let's see it. With 3 velvety mattes and 2 dazzling metallics, the versatile 5-pan Cupid palette is all you need to create a range of romantic looks from flirty to fierce, featuring rich coppery browns, bright champagne pinks, and luscious burgundy corals. All 5 shades are velvety, hydrating, and effortless to layer. So it looks... Ooh, okay. Okay. I am more here for it on this one, because I got that one really weird one that I was like, these 5 shades don't even go together. What is the color story? These do. These do. So, this is cohesive. I like this. This is much better. I'm a lot more excited about this one than that one. Really strange one that I have no idea how to use it unless you're just going to use each one individually. Those are not colors that go together. But these are, so I like that. Yay. Oh wait, that's what I just opened. We have... Oh, it's squishy. Why is it squishy? Because there's air in here. Okay, give them Lala skin. What the fuck does that mean? What the fuck is give them Lala? I have heard that multiple places now. Somebody explain. So this is Give Them Lala Skin Stay Calm Soothing Sheet Masks. Okay, well, I like sheet masks. This is $30! How many masks are in there? $30 for 4 masks. Are you shitting me right now? Yeah. Yeah, it's like that. It's like that. That's insane. Soothe and soften your skin in a flash with the Stay Calm Soothing Sheet Masks. Infused with naturally calming ingredients like aloe, chamomile, and licorice root, this sheet mask will leave your skin feeling hydrated, soft, and visibly smoother in just 1 use. Yeah, but what the fuck does Give Them Lala mean? It does not even say. It does not even say. What the shit? I'm very confused. But it's one of those things where I'm like, I've definitely heard the phrase, but I don't know what it means. Why do I feel it has something to do with one of those reality show bitches? I am like almost positive. But anyway. Ooh, from Lawless. Forget the filler, lip plumping, line smoothing gloss. Clean as fuck. Nice! Like that. Okay, so this is $25. Okay. Alright, so it says... Oh, and the... Never mind, I gave you the price on the sheet mask. I was freaking out over that. I already forgot. Fuck. So, a clinically proven lip plumping treatment and ultra shiny lip gloss with immediate and long-term plumping, softening, and hydrating benefits, and a universally flattering baby pink shade. Immediately, lines are filled and the lip surface is smooth. With consistent use, lips are proven to increase their volume and plumpness with fewer lip lines, and it's $25. And it's a new brand of Boxy, which I call bullshit. We have seen Lawless in there before, but... That's not the first time I've seen them claim that on a box where it's like, oh, this brand's new to box. It's like, no, it's not. You've sent stuff out from them before. Don't lie. But anyway, from Ren Clean Skincare, this is the Radiance Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream, and it's $49, which, okay. Bit bougie. This eye cream combines 95% natural origin ingredients to visibly reduce dark circles after just 7 days, with an irritation-free formula suitable for all eyes and bioactives to brighten, hydrate, and plump the look of the entire eye area. Formulated with elderberry flower extract, a zero-waste byproduct of the French perfume industry, and glycogen sustainably sourced via non-GMO corn from Canadian farms. Okay. I don't know what to say about all that. A lot of that kind of just sounded like word vomit, but alright. You do you. You sound great. But half of that also kind of just sounded like we're talking just to be talking. So, anyway, that was the last product I got in this box, which is pretty decent. Not the highest value one ever, but still decent. So, anyway. That is it, so you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.